Hi, I've got my very last unboxing video of February and it is Augusta collection. So this is the tight subscription box. So if you've seen any of my videos before, you'll know that I received this in January last month. So I did a collaboration with Augusta collection last month and they sent me the box in exchange for a review if I liked the products, which I posted up, and they loved my review so much that they gave me this month's box for free as a thank you. So thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. And I adore tights, absolutely adore tights. If you're new to Augusta collection, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. It is a subscription box and you can cancel any time. Augusta collection are based in the UK, but they ship worldwide. So in each box you receive 2 pairs of tights. You also get to state your size when you sign up. So I'm a size large, I'm 5'8", 5'9", so and I'm a size 14 to 16, so I've gone for a large and they fit really well. So to ship within the UK, including postage and packaging, it costs £13. To ship within the EU, including postage and packaging, it is €17. And to ship to the USA is $25. So it's good that the fact that there is more and more subscription boxes willing to post worldwide, which is amazing, really good. So also you get a little freebie in here as well. So in my last month's box, I had a set of brushes and I've been using them and they are gorgeous. They're really nice. No particular brand name, but they're little miniature makeup brushes, but they're really nice. So that was the freebie inside. So yeah, so let's open them up. So this is how it arrives, and I'm assuming this is my free gift. It's a pair of fishnet tights, is it? Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, I'll have a proper look at those in a minute. So that's my free gift, a pair of fishnet tights, so that's lovely. So it comes beautifully packaged with a sticker and some tissue paper. Oh, I'll take that out now. And inside the box you get leaflets then. And the leaflets are just promoting Augusta collection, the tights, and just a little bit there about the history and everything. I love this attention to detail. It's absolutely beautiful, just really lovely. So you can see there's 2 pairs of tights and I haven't opened them up yet, so I'll just open. Okay, so the first pair of tights. Oh, whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They're stocking tights. I've always wanted a pair of these. The tights. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. I hope it really picks it up. Maybe if I get out of the scene there. Can you see? It's got gorgeous lace detail. And then at the top of the thigh, it comes to a thicker, more opaque tight. Hold on. If I put my hand in here. Oh, they're lovely, sexy tights. So yeah, there. So you can see here, it's more of an opaque tight, and then you've got, it looks like suspenders. Hopefully you can see well, I'm not sure. But no, that's pretty cool, a bit different, pretty cool. I do really like that, I really like that. So I wasn't expecting it. So no, nice. So that's the first pair of tights. And the second pair are patterned. And oh no, I might just take the card out. See, I'm not sure too much about like the denier and thickness and everything, so apologies for that. But no, these tights are gorgeous. They are patterned. I'll put my hand in just to show you. There, can you see there? You can see there. Really nice pattern. Like crisscrossy squares. All the way up. So no, really funky. And cool, and yeah, nice. So those are the 2 tights I got in this month's box. I'll just open up my freebie. Now everyone gets a freebie, it's not just me. Oh, the little pop socks. Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. Yeah, look. There. Tiny little pop socks. These are so cool. I like these. Now there you go. So the tiny little one. Really happy with this month's box. The tights are gorgeous. I will be filming me doing a bit of a try on, so I'll pop that at the end of the video to show you, but I'll see if I can get someone else to film it, because last month I had to film it on my own and it was a little bit difficult, but I'll try and grab one of the family to come and do it for me, just to give you an idea of what they actually look like. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, I've got lots more unboxings to come. I've got makeup tutorials. Actually, the makeup that I'm wearing now is from a Juvia's Palace palette that I recently received, so that's a first impressions review palette, possibly coming up after this video is posted. But no, so if you're thinking, ooh, that makeup looks a bit funny, or it looks really nice, or whatever, and you're interested to see, then look out for that video, but that should be soon anyway. But yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.